Hello everyone, in this video we will know about some Korean food dishes, and this dish is called bibimap. Means this is made by rice and boiled rice and vegetables put together and made like a rolls and cutted and eaten with chopstick. This is called bulgogi, means mutton pieces fried. It is made by thin marinated slices of any mutton and it is grilled. Kimchi is made by salted and fermented vegetables such as cabbage and radish with widely varying selections of spices and like garlic, ginger. And it is made by adding a variety of soups. This is called sundubu jijigae. This is made by soup of noodles and some vegetables and mutton pieces boiled as a soup and added with topped with eggs and other muttons. Mostly it is made by seafood. Mostly they include soups and seafoods in their diet and noodles also. This is called bibimap. This is made by cooked rice and some fried vegetables, boiled vegetables are added on the top of it and a fried egg is added on the top of it. It is very dry type of a dish. Mostly in the Korea there is some insufficiency of agriculture because of mountains and some land problems, so they have low food productivity, so they take the food from import, they import the food from the other countries. Sixth, this is called tteokbokki. This is a long cylindrical shape rice cakes made from rice and then they are made into like macaroni, like we make in macaroni. This is same type of that rice cake and it's cooked in the spices and boiled eggs are topped on it and it is also their common type of dish. This dish is called japchae. It's a dried fried noodles and vegetables together. It's a dry fried combination. This is also a common dish there. Mandu means like a dumplings which have filling of some mutton or any curry and it is fried or boiled. It is like momos. This is called samgi tang. This is a chicken soup, boiled chicken soup. So this dish is the last in this video. Hamul pagion. This is a pancake made of seafoods and it's made with some squid, shrimps and octopus also. So guys, if you found this video informative and interesting, so like this video and subscribe to my channel.